Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for John in Pennsylvania on this RCI-2970n2. John, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Now, we did a tune and alignment, and we knew you were going to be running a nice straight 8-pill bass amplifier, hopper built, so we set this radio up accordingly. RF power all the way down, 100-watt slug. All the way down, it's about 7 or 8 watts. Now we'll roll up to 40. Let me roll it back down. Now about 15 watts of carrier. It's going to give you about a 250 watt carrier out of your 8-pill most likely. So I'm going to show you from there. Hello, 100-watt bird in the corner. I'm going to peak, and then I'm going to 5x position, so we're reading like a 500-watt scale. Hello. Hello. About 240 peak. Now, John, this will work nicely with your 8-pill and will not overdrive it. Now, you can run it wide open with just the radio and, did keep about 40. But, you're probably going to keep it between 15 and 20 watts of carrier when running that 8-pill, but totally up to you. All right, John, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.